So this set of 2 silicone baking mats has been sent to me to review for you. So let's go over its features and then we'll test them out in one of my Dutch ovens. So what these are great for is being able to bake in your oven. It's going to make your food not stick to the surface of whatever your vessel is that you're baking in. Because there's measurements on here, you'll be able to measure out your dough if you wish to do that, like my bread dough, how large of a loaf I want. Or you can actually use this for baking cookies or just about anything in your oven that you don't want to have stuck to the surface of your pan. But these are made for a round surface, so that works really well for my round Dutch oven. Also, on the sides here, it gives you some information on what it's safe for. So it is food safe. It does tell you the maximum temperature that it can be used at. Also, you don't want to put this in the fire and you don't want to use a knife on it. And then also, what is really nice here is there are some measurement conversions. So the reason they have these 2 pieces here on the edges is so you can actually put your dough on here and then set it down gently into the pan so that the rising of your dough doesn't deflate when you're adding it down into your baking vessel. Then when it's done baking, you can just take it right back out of your baking vessel so that it can cool down. So you can take it out of the oven and you're not going to burn your hands because you're going to be lifting with these 2 arms on it. So it comes with 2 in the set. You're going to get a red one and a black one. So I think these are great. So these are really easy to clean. You're just going to run them under some warm water and rinse them off. These are made with a food safe silicone with a fiberglass mesh.